All right, so here we have the beginnings of a component that can take as argument an array of movies, and that is going to then iterate them and display them. That array of movies is being passed down to it from a parent container that is going out to the server, fetching data from a remote server, and then passing it down to the component. All right. So let's focus on iterating over this array of movies, perhaps as a list of unordered list. Right. So let's maybe use UL, and then in here we can display the movies as different line items. Right. So what we could do is that iterate over the movies. We can say movies dot map. So it's iterating over those movies, and for every movie that it retrieves, we're going to return a brand new line item, whose that is going to contain inside the title of the movie, right? And I believe the title of the movie, they're capitalized, so we can say render movie dot title. Right, let's see what that looks like. All right, it looks like we can render each one of those line items, right, with the title of the movies. This is all coming from the server. And but we see that we have a couple of errors here being printed out on the console. One of them is the key that we forgot to add the unique identifier for each one of these dynamic elements. So we're going to use the IMDb ID, unique IMDb, to uniquely identify each one of these line items. So we can say just movie.imdb ID. Let's see if it doesn't complain anymore. All right, we don't have the error being spit out anymore. But let's make this a little prettier. What we can do is decorate this a little bit. We can say that this UL is going to use a specific class, and using a Bootstrap, there is a list group. List group makes the list a little prettier, and also we need to add another decorator around for this line item for another class. No, not this one. So that'd be class name, and then we'll use list group item. There we go. Let's see what that renders. Let's go back. Oh, that looks much better, right? Where we have each one of these Batman Begins and all the line items for each one of the movies that comes back from the server. Make sense?